Hey, welcome back everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, it's Paul Molley. And today I want to talk about getting on launches with affiliate products through Warrior Plus. Now, it's a little bit echoey where I am right now, so I'm just going to open that up. Might be a little better then. Just stood on right on the, almost on the top terrace of the villa I'm in at the moment, so it's kind of like a little bit echoey because it's a staircase up to the top, but it was dead windy outside, so I didn't want to do it out there either. But yeah, just looking out into the open ocean and you just see, wow, there's such opportunity out there. But let's get back to the point. Right, so today I was in one of the Facebook groups and I saw a post about someone launching a product, and they were saying, okay, right, we'll launch this product. It's super cool if you could get on board. And I thought, do you know what? I haven't done any Warrior Plus stuff for a while, so I'll send it out to my list and see how it goes. So this is fine if you've already built an email list. If you don't, then go back, listen to the rest of the podcast, because I do these every day, and there's so many different list building ideas in the podcast itself. It's astounding, right? So you can build an email list up really quickly, really cheaply, and it's profitable at the end of the day. That's one of your main assets, is your email list. So what I did was contacted the vendor, and I said, okay, right, I'm going to put it out to my list. And he went immediately. He said, cool, I'll approve you, and here's a cool bonus you can send out to people. And so I thought, cool, that's what people want. They want an extra bonus just for purchasing, and that's the name of the game these days. So he said, well, this is all about developing your business, making affiliate sales or making profits on any other business using Pinterest, which is crazy because about 3 months ago I was posting quite a lot on Pinterest, and I got up to like 54,000 impressions in a single month, which was crazy amount of impressions. I tell you, there's a lot of stuff going on there, which is great. But then I kind of left it alone for a reason. I don't know why I did that, but I did. So back to the point. His bonus that he gave to me was access to 6,000 Pinterest pins that I could use. And I thought, well, that's enough content for anybody for life almost. So that's a great bonus, considering his program is teaching people about Pinterest. So I thought, right, what I need to do is I need to set up a bonus page so they can get that delivered to them. But also, think about this. With Warrior Plus, you can add your bonus page URL, which means that people are going to get notified of this bonus URL as soon as they purchase, yeah? So what you're then going to do is, or in my case, I set up the bonus page and created a small opt-in for people to instantly download the bonus. So that's not just going to create me a new email list, it's going to create me an email list of buyers, because the only people that are going to see that page are people which purchased. And I've got to tell you now, having an email list is fantastic. Having an email list of buyers is golden, because you already know these people have the means to pay for stuff online. They're interested in growing their own business, so they are more likely to purchase other products which will help them, right? So that's the whole point of it. So further down the line, if I've got something else which I know is going to help them develop their Pinterest business, for example, I can send them another offer, and that makes sales, commissions, and everyone's happy. So that's part of the puzzle there. So I sent out an email to my list of, I think I segmented out around 2,700 people about half an hour ago, and already people are starting to open it. And when they click the link inside the email, I placed a tag on it so that it would trigger off putting them into an automation based on the fact that they were interested in that offer, because they clicked to go and see it. And then the automation kicks in. So it waits about an hour, and then it starts doing a follow-up based on that product. Now, it's pointless sending this follow-up to people that actually purchase. So using an active campaign, there is a function there to add a goal. And the goal in this case was if they were entered, or if they were subscribed to a new email list that I created, which was the buyers list, right? Which they're going to get put on that buyers list. If they go ahead and purchase, they click through to my bonus page and they put their details in, because I've integrated that through ClickFunnels. And that's kind of like that in a process. It's a mini ecosystem, not only to drive people to the sales page in the first place, but also to drive people to the bonus page, get them onto a buyer's list, so that, and then I can market to them later. And that's where it all happens. That's where the magic happens, especially if you're looking to try and grow your income online using affiliate programs, whether it be JVZoo or Warrior Plus or anything like that, is have bonuses. Make sure you add that in to the links itself through Warrior Plus, because that's where they're going to get that from. And yeah, that's it in a nutshell. You get good enough bonuses for people, then they will definitely go ahead and get it. Now, if you don't have an email list already, then you are kind of going to need to launch jack, if you like, onto that product. And an easiest way of doing that is to create reviews, because it's not every single time that someone goes to a page for the first time that they're going to make a purchase. They might think, okay, it all looks well and good, but what do other people think about it? What are other people saying about it? So they might do a search. They might go ahead and search, let's say program name with review, or program name price, or program name something else, right? So if you can get your video ranked for those keywords around the same time as when that product is first coming out, then you are going to get free traffic. And of course, then the wheels will get set in motion exactly the way I've just spelled it out. So you can get those buyers' email addresses, which is going to make it even more profitable for you further down the line. Now, I know people that do this all the time, and they can earn literally thousands a day by just doing what I've just said to do, right? So if you are thinking about getting on there and trying to sort of like crack the code, if you like, I've just given you the blueprint right there. So anyway, I hope this podcast finds you well. Hope you enjoy the rest of your Saturday, and I look forward to speaking to you all again tomorrow.